Hello guys, good morning, welcome to this channel. Nigerians are mourning event host Evelyn Adeomi, popularly known as MC Have, who died in a car crash. The host, famously called the Energy Goddess, was said to have been in a car with her boyfriend on October 12 when they were involved in an accident along Lekki-Epe Expressway, Lagos. The boyfriend, who was driving, was unhurt, but Eve was critically injured. She was rushed to a nearby private hospital, but didn't make it. MC Eve hosted Toyin Lawani's wedding months ago. She has worked with various Nigerian celebrities, and they have taken to their respective Instagram accounts to mourn her. Real Mercy Aigbe wrote, "So heartbreaking, absolutely shocking, R.I.P. Evelyn." Well guys, there you have it. Don't forget to like, drop your comment in the comment section below, and subscribe for more latest trending reports. Thank you. Bye.